my channel. So today I wanted to sit down and film a kind of green, smoky-ish type of eye. I haven't done a green eyeshadow look in like a long time, so I wanted to sit down and play around with some colors. So here's what I came up with. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease, and I'm taking this shade right here, which is kind of like a peachy, kind of orangey color. This is from the Morphe 35O palette. Just going to pop this in the high portion of my crease and use this as my transitional shade. I'm then going to take the shade Purée from the TooFaced Sweet Peach palette, which is still in the same family. It's kind of like a little bit of a warmer brown with a little bit of an orange undertone. And I'm going to work that right in the bottom portion in kind of mid crease. Working in layers is really going to give you that gradient and a smooth blend with all the shades. I'm then going to go back to the Morphe palette and take this shade right here, which is kind of like a deeper brown, and I'm taking that on a smaller brush. I'm going to tilt my head back and apply this right in the fold of my crease. Kind of work that on the outer corner as well. I'm going to go back into that brush I used in the crease beforehand and kind of just softly blend all of that out, because it actually applied a lot heavier than I anticipated. So I'm going to take a brush and a light flesh tone color, and I'm going to use this to blend out that top edge of those shadows and highlight the brow bone as well. So for my eyelid, to kind of get the ideal shade that I wanted, I have to mix two colors together. This is Inika Mineral Cosmetics Mineral Eyeshadow in Eternal Marine, which is a really pretty kind of foresty green type of color. And then I have this one right here, which is a really bright neon loose pigment. This I actually got from the website Wish, and I love the loose pigments this gives, so it's just like a pretty neon green. I'm going to mix these together to make my eyelid shade I want. So first I'm going to take that darker shade from Inika Cosmetics and apply that on my eyelid, blending out towards that outer corner color. I'm spritzing my brush in between picking up these shades because it helps to kind of help the fallout not happen, and it makes these a little bit more workable. And then I'm going to go in just with what's on the lid from this neon green shade. My cat's bumping the camera. And then I'm just going to pop this right over top, just to kind of brighten the green. Then I'm going to go in with the kind of darker shade that we used and apply that right in the crease line as well, just to kind of help blend things together. So for the goldish eyeliner, I'm taking this kind of bronzy gold copper shade. I know that's like a really weird way to describe this, but it's like a golden copper shade. I'm going to take that. That's from the Morphe 35O palette as well. And all I did was spritz this angled brush with a little bit of Fix Plus or setting spray, whatever you have will work, just to kind of wet down the product ever so slightly. And I'm going to line my top lash line. So for my bottom lashes, I'm just going to take that dark brown shade that we used in the crease and apply that on my bottom lashes. The next step is to curl our lashes. So for mascara, I'm going to take two different two-step mascaras. I'm first going to take the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Mascara, and I'm only going to take step 1 from this, which is the primer side, and I'm going to wiggle this in to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Carbon Black Double Extend Mascara, and I'm taking the actual mascara side of this and that's going to get worked into my lashes as well. So for cheeks, I'm going to go into this right here. This is the J.cat Beauty Love Struck Blusher plus Bronzer, that's a tongue twister, in the shade Love Struck. I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. Then for lips, I'm going to go into this Milani lipstick in the shade number 11 Fruit Punch. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. There's a full list of products I used in this video down in the description box below this. I love you guys very much. I'll see you very soon. And don't forget, make good choices.